Decoding the what? Mastering WH questions in passive voice. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're delving into a fascinating subject. What? Questions in passive voice. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently form and recognize what? Questions in passive voice, adding a whole new layer to your English communication. Before we jump into the specifics of what? Questions, let's do a quick recap on the passive voice. The passive voice is a way of expressing the same action in a sentence by shifting the focus from the subject, who is doing the action, to the object, what is being done. For example, consider the active voice sentence. John wrote the book. Here, John is the subject doing the action, writing, and the book is the object. When we shift this into passive voice, we get, the book was written by John. In this passive version, the focus has shifted to the book. Moving on, let's now look at what? Questions in passive voice. These questions typically begin with what, followed by a form of the verb to be, am, is, are, was, were, the past participle of the main verb, and often ending with by. If we mention the agent, the person or thing doing the action. Here's an example. What was written by John? In this example, what is the interrogative word, was, is the form of to be, written, is the past participle of write, and by John is the agent. Creating your own what? Questions in passive voice can be simplified in 3 steps. 1. Start with what. 2. Add the correct form of to be, according to the tense and subject. 3. Add the past participle of the main verb. If you're specifying the doer of the action, end the question with by and the agent. For example, if you want to ask about the book written by Mark in the past, you would say, what was written by Mark? And there you have it. By following these steps, you can form what? Questions in passive voice. Practice is the key to mastering this, so try forming your own questions based on the things around you. We hope this video has clarified how to construct what? Questions in passive voice. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more lessons in English language learning.